Okay guys, this is Karen with KJS Paranormal, Carter County, Tennessee, and I was trying to use some devices. This thing's already went off several times. It's the EMF. It's in here by itself. It is on 0. I've got the Ghost Radar. Hopefully you can see what it's saying. I'll try to focus it in some. Last word was successful. I got hot, nearby, key, I think it was. And then over here I got it keeps doing that randomly, I don't know why. Over here is a trigger object. If anything wants to turn it off. I'm going to start a recorder, and I've got an EMF pump. Is there somebody here that keeps cutting this on? If so, can you do it again? Guys, look, my phone is not doing it. It's my EMF pump's way back here. I mean, this thing isn't doing it. It just does it every so often. I don't understand that. Can you make this spike red again? If you can understand what I'm saying. Okay, anyway, I'm going to leave this sitting up for a few minutes. Down here on the floor, you won't be able to see it, but it's the new app, the geophone, that you, sorry about that, you put it on the ground, and when it beeps, it means it's picking up vibrations of footsteps. I get a lot of footsteps through here, so I'll show you. So you don't hear it beeping. Okay, that's how that works. So if you hear that beeping, then most likely we're getting footsteps. But I really don't want it to be too loud, because it might mess with the audio. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start the audio recorder and get out of the way of that thing so it'll quit doing that. EVP session number 1. I've got a few objects set up in the bedroom. I got a geophone on the floor for vibration, footsteps, EMF, ghost radar, a trigger light that they can turn off, and an EMF pump. Okay, we'll try this. Let me step out of the way. Oh, that beeping should stop. Okay. I may have it like, oh, I do forgot I got my dryer on. I'm going to have to go cut that off. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and let these lights shine in here. So if you see anything, you know, please try to post it. Let me try to zoom in a little bit. I don't think I'm going to be able to zoom in enough for you to see my, what my ghost radar and stuff says. But check for orbs and voices or anything like that. And I'm going to just leave this stationary for a few minutes. I'll cut the dryer off and dryer and see if that helps that geophone. It's very sensitive. thinking it's picking up too much sensitivity, so let's possibly turn it down a little bit. Okay. Wish I had a way to set it. We could set it on the bed, and if anything moves the bed, we'll be able to pick that up, I guess. Okay, Ghost Radar, you stopped it successful. Anything else you'd like to say? You bump the bed, like you usually do. Going out for only good spirits only. I'm going to stop this one and start another one. I don't have too many EVPs. Too many recordings to go over. Session number 1. Okay, here's EVP number 2. Give it a few minutes. Let me bump the bed and make sure it's working. There you go. Come on, do something. Cut the flashlight off. Bump the bed. Speak into the device. Make the EMF go off. However you wish to do it. Don't be afraid. You make odd noises all through the night, all the time. Ain't no use to hide now. Got this device to speak into and that one on the bed. Alright, can you please make the EMF pump go off? The one with the red light that beeps? I see that you're speaking on the ghost radar. Can you turn the little flashlight off? Bump the bed. I give you permission. You've got a little green light towards the back of the bed, and that should give you energy to be able to play with some of these trigger objects. Okay guys, this is Karen with KJS Paranormal, Carter County, Tennessee, and I'm going to try a different little session, so watch part 2, and be sure to watch this one, to see if there's anything you get, because this room and probably the room behind me is probably the most with footsteps, and that's what I'm trying, to pick up on, but I'm going to go ahead and end this, and we'll do another session. So please watch part 2. Thank you. Okay, alright. Sorry about that.